So dear friends, in this video we will solve this question for the formula of the sulfur. We will solve this question for the formula of sulfur. So the formula of sulfur is calculated if we know the atomicity. If we know the atomicity means number of atom in a molecule, then its molecular formula we can easily calculate. So as given in the answer or solution, its atomicity comes out 8. So as atomicity comes out 8 on solving this question, the atomicity means number of atoms per molecules is 8. So its answer is S8. So we will solve how it comes out 8. So the number of atomicity is the number of atom. Formula is given by the atomicity. Atomicity means number of atom in a molecule. So molecular mass divided by atomic mass. So it gives atomicity. Means mass of one atom is 32. Mass of one atom is 32. So how many atoms are present in this mass? So number of atom present in this mass is 8. So how this mass is comes out? 256. 256 is the molecular mass, and molecular mass is comes out from the PV equal to nRT equation. We know that PV equal to nRT, and N means number of mole. Number of moles is equal to weight upon molar mass. Weight divided by molar mass. So by applying this equation, we can solve for the molecular mass, and when we get the molecular mass, we divide it by atomic mass and we get the number of atom. So pressure is given in the question. What is pressure? 723 mm. So to convert this pressure into atmosphere, we divide it by 760. 760 means 1 atmosphere, and 723 means how many? 760 mm means 1 atmosphere. So then 723 is equal to how many atmosphere? And volume is given in the ml. So we will divide it by 1000. 1000 means 1 liter. 1000 ml means 1 liter. Then 780 means how many liter? So in this way we can calculate the pressure and volume, and we have given the mass, mass of the sulfur is 3.2 gram. So we will put W equal to 3.2 gram. 3.2 gram as the weight of sulfur. And volume, we have put the volume equal to 780 divided by 1000, and pressure 723 divided by 760 atmosphere liter, and it is weight, and R, value of R in atmosphere liter. Value of R in atmosphere liter is 0.0821, and multiply by temperature. So temperature is given in the degree Celsius, and we will convert it into Kelvin. So in the Kelvin it comes out on adding 273. It comes out, it become 450. When we add 273 in 450, it comes out 723 Kelvin. And we will solve for the M. When we solve for the M, we get 256. So 32 is the mass of one atom, and mass of number of atom in 256 is equal to 8. So this is the atomicity. So the formula of the sulfur is S8. Thank you. I hope it is clear to you.